Welcome to another maybe exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try this. Bit of a change. Closed Sicilian. The closed Sicilian. It's 1 minute 15:55. So it might not be good in time scrambles. That's good to know. Maybe 3 minute 1989. So keeping it closed, like closed Sicilian, might be a good idea. Not too tactical. I seem to have a pleasant enough position the way he's played it. This bishop seems okay. At the moment, it seems pleasant enough. D3, H3, bishop E3. D3, H3, bishop E3. Let's keep an eye on B5. I think he just blundered the rook. I'm not doing a take backs for 5-minute auto pairing on this occasion. I don't know. He should be taking his time. Come on. Oh, come on. Sorry. Okay. I don't know. It stops being competitive if on the auto pairing. If I now I'm cruel. I know. Sorry about that. Check out the master game today on day of this upload. I'm just trying to show like flannel documentary here of the 5-minute auto pairing with its ups and downs or whatever and weird incidents. But yeah, I mean, I've got a slightly comfortable position. I thought. The engine thinks actually that black's slightly better. I think maybe that D4 control is quite good. Yeah, okay, a non-game today. What was I supposed to do here then? Visually, I thought it was okay for me. D4. Okay. All right. Thanks so much.